Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Are the apps on your JVC Smart TV not working properly? Maybe Netflix won't open, YouTube keeps crashing, or your TV just freezes on the loading screen. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete step-by-step guide to fix app problems on your JVC Smart TV, from simple connection checks to advanced troubleshooting, so you can get back to streaming smoothly again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first and most common reason apps stop working is a poor or disconnected internet connection. Start by pressing the home button on your JVC remote and go to Settings Network Status. If your TV shows not connected or weak signal strength, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or plug in a LAN cable directly to your router. Also, try restarting your router. Turn it off for 30 seconds and power it back on. A stable internet connection is essential for apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video to load correctly. Once reconnected, open an app again and check if it's working. Step 2. Clear app cache and data. If your internet connection is fine but apps still crash or freeze, the next step is to clear cache and app data. Over time, temporary files or corrupted data can slow down or block your apps. Here's how to fix that. Go to Settings Apps, see All Apps, then select the app causing issues, for example, Netflix or YouTube. Choose Clear Cache, and if that doesn't help, also choose Clear Data. This refreshes the app just like reinstalling it, without affecting other settings. After clearing cache, relaunch the app. In most cases, this simple cleanup brings your TV apps back to normal. Step 3. Update your TV software. Still facing problems? Then it's time to check for a firmware update. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with newer app versions. To update, go to Settings, Support Software Update, check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Make sure your TV stays connected to Wi-Fi during the update process. Once the update completes, your smart TV will restart automatically. After reboot, open your apps again. Most app errors disappear once the firmware is updated. Step 4. Reset Smart Hub or Factory Reset. If your apps are still not working, the final fix is to reset your smart TV system. This removes any corrupted settings or software bugs. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset Factory Data Reset. You'll see a confirmation screen. Select Erase Everything and press OK. Your TV will restart, restoring default factory settings. Once done, reconnect to Wi-Fi, log back into your streaming apps, and you'll notice everything running smoother and faster. Remember, this step should only be used as a last resort if all other methods fail. Step 5. Reinstall or update the app manually. If you're still having trouble with a specific app, like Netflix or YouTube, it might be time to reinstall or manually update that app. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Installed Apps, select the app that isn't working, and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, go back to the App Store on your JVC Smart TV and reinstall the same app again. This ensures you have the latest version with all bug fixes and performance updates. Once reinstalled, open the app and sign in again. In many cases, this final step completely resolves app crashes or loading errors. And that's it. By following these simple steps, checking your internet, clearing app cache, updating firmware, and resetting your TV, you can fix nearly any app problem on your JVC Smart TV. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart TV troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fully working JVC Smart TV.